Every step you take brings you closer to your goals, your destinations. A carefree, enjoyable lifestyle is important for everyone. Have you ever wondered how to make your life easier, happier, and better? Here we provide you a brand new lifestyle that you will be surprised. Making your wife happy is the first rule of staying out of troubles. Try to listen and obey her no matter what. But the first step you must take before entering the house is sanitizing your shoes properly with EZStep. Traditional cleaning methods are no longer good enough to sanitize your shoes effectively. Your shoes have been carrying more dirt and germs than you ever thought, which not only remain on the sole, but also all parts of the shoes. Furthermore, sole cleaning becomes irritating when you are doing it the wrong way. With a smart infrared sensor, our touchless EZStep will automatically sanitize your shoe by spraying a set amount of disinfectant liquid to the sole. It stops immediately after your shoe leaves the sensing area. It's way better than the old ways of cleaning. Quick charge for 3 hours and it operates up to 2 weeks. On top of that, it's absolutely simple and very convenient to use. You can place it literally anywhere you want. The container can be refilled easily with any liquid sanitizer or bleach via its transparent design and wide opening. You can use the usual antiseptic disinfectant with chloroxylenol or bleach, then mix with water at the scale as instructed. Use of alcohol is not encouraged because it's flammable. One small step can change your life and greatly increase your family's happiness. Using a simple, contactless, and intelligent EZStep is easier than you can imagine. EZStep, an easy step, a must.